In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the custom logic feature in IQBot to further refine extraction results. The custom logic feature enables a user to use Python scripts to make very specific changes to IQBot extractions. For instance, if a user wants to adjust extracted data for more seamless integration in target systems, a user can add custom logic to modify the extraction to yield desired results. In this example, we are training a group of bank statements in the designer. We want to change the extracted statement period, which is arranged in a word format, into a numerical format. To use the custom logic feature, navigate to the Logic tab under Field Options or Table Section Settings under the desired form or table on the designer screen. Full screen the code box for a better view. In the code box, we can take the variable that stores the current extracted value, called field value, and apply Python functions to change the value. Here, we will use Python's replace function to make changes to the original extracted value. This line of Python code will replace all occurrences of January in field value with a 0, 1, and a slash. We will continue this pattern and create statements that replace month names with the corresponding month number for all months. Additionally, we will write replace statements to replace the word through with a dash and the comma with a slash. We will now test this code by clicking Test Run. You can see the word format's date before running the custom logic and the numeric format date after the custom logic. To further verify your custom logic produces desired results, click on See Extraction Results under the console output. Go through each training document in the group and check that the results match up with the desired results. Success! We can now continue with the training and validation process as normal. Custom logic allows users to leverage the flexible power of Python to refine their extraction results in a multitude of ways, further decreasing need for human intervention in document processing.